Hey everyone, welcome back to Tube for You. My name is Arpit. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that many of you have been asking about. How to make money on social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and more. In this video, I'm going to share some proven strategies and tips that can help you turn your social media presence into a lucrative income stream. So, let's get started. First and foremost, to make money on social media, it's crucial to build a strong and engaged following. Focus on creating valuable content that resonates with your target audience. Whether it's stunning photography on Instagram or entertaining videos on TikTok, quality content is the key to attracting and retaining followers. Next, let's talk about monetization strategies. One of the most common ways to make money on social media is through brand partnerships and sponsorships. As your following grows, brands will take notice and approach you for collaborations. It's essential to align with brands that are relevant to your niche and authentic to your audience. Another way to monetize your social media presence is through affiliate marketing. By partnering with companies and promoting their products or services, you can earn a commission on any sales generated through your unique affiliate links. Share your honest recommendations and provide value to your audience to build trust and maximize your earnings. Now, let's not forget about the power of content monetization features offered by social media platforms themselves. Platforms like YouTube and TikTok have monetization programs that allow you to earn ad revenue based on views and engagement. Make sure you meet the eligibility requirements and consistently create high-quality content to increase your chances of monetization. Beyond brand partnerships, affiliate marketing, and platform monetization, there are additional income streams you can explore. You can create and sell digital products such as e-books, online courses, or stock photos. Additionally, you can offer coaching or consulting services based on your expertise. These avenues provide you with greater control over your earnings and allow you to showcase your unique skills. Lastly, it's important to diversify your income streams. Relying solely on one platform or strategy can be risky. Explore other social media platforms that align with your niche and expand your reach. This way, you can tap into multiple income opportunities and reach a broader audience. In conclusion, making money on social media requires consistent effort, dedication, and creativity. Focus on building a strong following, leverage partnerships and sponsorships, explore affiliate marketing, take advantage of platform monetization programs, and diversify your income streams. Remember, it's not an overnight success, but with persistence and valuable content, you can turn your social media presence into a profitable venture. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. And as always, stay tuned for more exciting videos on how to make the most out of your social media journey. Until next time.